Hello guys, welcome back to Devi's Law Capsule, and this is Devi Sanil. In this video, you will get important topics in legal language, legal method and legal writing which are repeatedly asked for Ll.B. Kerala University exams. If you are watching my video for the first time, please do like, share and subscribe. So let's get started. First, let's see some of the important 2-mark questions. In that, you have to go through topics like legislation, common law, precedent, custom as a source of law, define law, order, decree and judgement, appeal, revision and review, affidavit, damage. Next, about preamble, obiter dicta, stare decisis, ratio decidendi, mens rea, law digest, power of attorney, memorandum of association and articles of association. Another important area is public interest litigation, jurisdiction, preamble, set off, lok adalat, bail, subordinate legislation, delegated legislation, High Court and Supreme Court. Next, about plaint, written statement, gift deed, interlocutory application, private complaint, will, types of deed, bill of exchange and promissory note. So these are some of the important 2-mark questions. Now let's see some of the most important repeatedly asked 4-mark questions. Here you have to concentrate on topics like relevance of law in society, classification of criminal courts under CrPC, sources of law, primary and secondary sources of law, explain the use and necessity of law library, hierarchy of civil and criminal courts, writs. Guys, I have already uploaded a video on writs, and for the link you can check the description of this video. Okay? Next, you have to focus on topics like custom as a source of law, distinguish between public law and private law, describe public interest litigation, explain the particulars in a plaint, define written statement, what are the essentials of a written statement, explain how to prepare a case comment. Next, short note on lease, mortgage, revision and bail under CrPC. Expand the following legal abbreviations: UDHR, FIR, CVC, JILT, CAG, SCC, KLT and MLR. Next, you have to go through different kinds of precedents, explain the synopsis of an academic article, explain power of attorney, interlocutory application, bill of exchange, promissory note, gift, private complaint, contents of head notes, advisory jurisdiction of Supreme Court. So these are some of the important 4-mark questions. Moving on to 6-mark questions. So here you have to concentrate on maxims like ubi jus ibi remedium, volendi non fit injuria, qui facit per allum facit per se, nemo debet ex judex in propria causa, audi altum partem, ignorantia juris non excusat, falsis in uno falsis in omnibus, actus non facit rem nisi mensit rea. Next, about de minimis non curate lex, actio personalis morator cum persona, ex nudo pacto non orator actio, nemo dat quod non habet, obiter dicta and ratio decidendi. So these are some of the important maxims. Moving on to 10-mark questions. Here you have to concentrate on topics like principles of legal writing, what are the rules observed in writing an article on law, explain, custom, legislation, precedent, use of law library, sources of law. Define law. Do you think law as an instrument of social change? Hierarchy of civil and criminal codes. Next you have to go through provisions of bail, discuss the structure of a statute, need and importance of legal language, characteristics of good design in writing on legal topics, what are pleadings in civil case, distinguish between appeal, revision, reference and review in criminal law, plaint and written statement. Next, primary and secondary sources of legal materials, essay on gender justice, child labor, uniform civil code, current pandemic situation, women empowerment and cyber crimes. So these are some of the important 10-mark questions. Make sure that you have gone through all these topics, and all the best for your exam. If you find this video useful, please do like, share, subscribe and also press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.